Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Madumiswe uJesu Kristo. Tandazani ngiyafisa ukuba sibukele ivangeli likaMathewu chapter 17 verses 1 to 9. uJesu uthatha Peter, James and John. Kunalabantu abathathayo akubukela nabo entabeni ukuba abe yedwa kanye nabo. Mhlawumbe into yokuqala emfisa ukukhuluma ngayo ilesi simanga uMntaka Maria asivezela sona yokuba kunabantu empilweni obadingayo ukuba babe seduze nawe. Kunabantu empilweni obadingayo ukuba ukwazi ukukhuluma izinto nabo. Kunabantu obadingayo ukuze ukwazi ukubhekisisa nibhekisane ngento nangenqubo okumele uyithathe. Mntaka Maria uyamjuza lana uma ehlunga phakathi kwabapostoli ukuba nabo abathathu engizobuye ngihlale ngibe nabo. Naba abathathu engizobuya ngihlale ngibavezele enye into ngami laba abanye abangayazi abangenayo. Mhlawumbe into yokuqala engifisa ukuhlala kuyona yile nkonzo uNkulunkulu asinika yona ukuba nawe empilweni yakho akube kube khona abantu okwazi ukubahlunga eningini. Akube kube khona abantu okwazi ukuthi usibanibani nosibanibani ngiyabheja ngabo. Usibanibani nosibanibani abantu engaziyo ukuthi bayafisa ukungibona ngisimama, bayafisa ukungibona ngikhula, bayafisa ukungibona ngiba lokhu uNkulunkulu angibize ukuba ngibe ngikona. Thandazami, impilo inzima, impilo iyahluka, impilo iyaqamba. Kunohlobo oluthathu lwabantu abahlezi beseduze kwempilo yakho. Hlobo lokuqala ngibabiza ngabangani abayizitha, enemies. Babangani kodwa bayizitha. Uma yonke into ihambela kahle bayazonda. Uma yonke into ihamba kabi babangani bakho. Kodwa bahlezi beseduze. Uhamba nabo, uhlala nabo, udla nabo, wenza izinto nabo. Wena uyitshela ukuthi abangani, bona bayazazi enemies. Babangani abayizitha, yibona abaziyo uzosuka la wenza ukuthi, yibona abaziyo ungabanga ukuthi, yibona abaziyo uplana ukuthi, yibona abaziyo ushawe yini, washayeka kanjani. Labo bantu bahlezi beseduze. Awazi, bona bayazazi, bona balwa nawe, wena uyitshela ukuthi niyahambisana. Bese kuba khona olunye uhlobo lwabantu ohlezi lune-interest ngempilo yakho. Yabazi abantu abahlezi beviewa ama-statuses akho, Instagram, bayaview Facebook, bayaview WhatsApp, bayaview TikTok, bayaview, but they never comment. Angifuni ukubabiza ngama-stalker, kodwa bayaviewa, they never comment. Why? Bane-interest eyodwa. They want to know kwenzakalani empilweni yakho. Those people are very interested empilweni yakho, kodwa bahlangana nabo, they show absolutely no interest. Abakubingeleli, abakhulumi nawe, abanendaba nawe, kodwa every time you post, they are among the first people Niyakhumbula kusakhona u-GP WhatsApp into u-GP wawuyini yakho. Angiyazi yaziwa ingane encane leyo nto. Angalokusakhona yini. Labantu abakwazi ukuhayida ukuthi bakuviewile. Labantu abakwazi ukuthi ulasini wabo ubungoNovember 2024 kodwa basabhizi basahamba nawe lapha. Labantu abakwazi ukubona ama-messages owadilithi kunabantu abanjalo empilweni yakho. Who will want to know yonke into ngakho? Abazohamba bafuna yonke into abazoyazi. Those kind of people ngiyabathanda because bayakuthanda kodwa bayakuzonda. They hate the reality ukuthi they love how successful you are. They will never follow you unless they believe you are a great success. That's the second group of people. Base kuba khona lolu hlobo lesithathu lwabantu. Laba bantu bawo-coach. Have you ever seen a coach esebholeni edlala egroundini? Never. Labantu benza izinto kodwa they never appear on the scene. Yibona labantu babiza ngama-handlers. Yibona labantu abafike bathi akwenzeke kanje, akulungiswe kanje, akashawe kanje, asikuthole kanje, kodwa labo bantu angeke ubathole. Labo bantu bafana ney'gebengu khona zazaziyo. Sebaboshwa bonke laba. Ebesethi umkhwenazi anendaba nabo bonke laba. Mina ngifuna lawo amadoda angale okuyibona who are the masterminds of everything. Kulabantu abanjalo empilweni yakho. They will never appear on the scene. They will never stop you. They will never do anything. God wibona abakwazi ukusebenzisa abantu ukuze bakwazi ukulimaza. Just to take 3 men, Peter, James, and John. I've given you 3 examples. Yabantu abasempilweni yakho. Umbuze ngifuna ukubuza. Which one are you going to take? What Jesus offers us or what all of us have already? But when it comes, ekumele siye kuyona. When it comes, yokuhlula. When it comes, yokususa. When it comes, yokusifa out and realize ukuthi kahle kahle lo muntu akanayo i-interest yempilo yami. Kahle kahle lo muntu akafuni ukubona usimama. The second point, which is absolutely powerful for me, uJesu uthi asikhuphukele entabeni. Uyamthusa umntaka Maria. Umntaka Maria asukeni kubantu asambeni siye entabeni. Siye endaweni ephakeme. Asukeni osebeni asambeni siye ejuleni. Asukeni emehlweni abantu asambeni siyobona lento uqobo lwayo. Khona i-element yempilo ebalulekile. If you are not willing to die with me, let me say this, write this down for me. If you are not willing to die with me, you are not worthy to sit at the table of my celebration. If you are not willing to die with me, you are not worthy to sit at the table of my celebration. When everything is going well, but when everything is not going well, they run away. And you call these people friends. Emakhaya, emshadweni, emsebenzini. And we just put let's move to the higher place. Asambeni siye la, abantu abaningi bazosala khona. Asambeni siye la, abantu abaningi ekumele bahlungwe bezosala ukuze ngihambe nalaba ababizelwe intando yami. There's another thing that I always find absolutely fascinating. You must always choose to be better than your situation. That's something powerful. You must always choose to be something better than your situation. Write that down for me. The other thing that is also absolutely important to me, never allow your situation to define who you are. uJesu uthi ake ukhuphukele entabeni, ake khona inkonzo uNkulunkulu asisa kuyona, khona izimo ekumele siyibukisesa ebese ukuphukela endaweni engcono ukuze mase beqala beqofa udaka bangaqofi la usukhona. Khona izimo ezophoqa ukuba ukuphukele ngasentsha, khona maseqala ukhupha izinto, konakala izinto, ungangeni emgodini asebewuphile awukuphukele ngasentsha. Khona igama lesizulu engilithandayo, write this down for me, lithi ukuhlehla kwenqama akusho ukubaleka, ukhuphukele entabeni akusho ukuthi uhlulekile, kodwa you want to have a better view so that you can deal with whatever is going on. So many of us wear masks. We have no time to be real to ourselves. So many of us pretend through life. So many of us go through so many things in between. And we laugh through it all. And so Jesu, woman of my daughter, I was so Jesu, which I sing a sugar bantu, I sing a sugar spooini, I sing a sugar spitty, you found to shalla nawe, you found to shalla no power wami, uze wazi, ubegana, nalesisito. Hey, someone like, when I learned, I'm not sure no one will understand that Yabona konke bakukhuluma bakoma ukuthi iyiphi ingane yakuhlupha kakhulu einganeni zakho. Le understand engikhuluma ngayo. Iyiphi ingane yakuhlupha kakhulu einganeni zakho. Qagela nathi impendulo engikunika yona, yilena ezalo umama ezana. Yasizwe sisami. Iyiphi ingane yakuhlupha kakhulu einganeni zakho, yilena ezalo umama ezana. When abanye abantu are going through that. And they realize ukuthi ongabe uyahlupha kakhulu engakwenzi ukuthi akakwenzi engakujaha nje kodwa le engizalelo mamezana iyona nje le engizalelo mthwekazi iyona nje le esengenzele konke iyona nje. So we go through life and we pretend as if everything is fine. Now when it ends why with Peter, James and John bese kuba uJesu, bese kuba uElijah, bese kuba uMose, bese kuba khona izwi lendoda yesikhombisa. When 7 appears, completion happens. When 7 appears, perfection happens. When 7 appears, Lona 7, whatever show you broke konke. Owesikhombisa uthi lo indodana yami ethandekayo athi lalela. Have you ever met someone in your life? Othi usungolile uthi so having met you in my life, I'm at peace. Having met you in my life, I'm complete. Having met you in my life, I've realized you are everything I've ever wanted. I didn't know I needed you until I met you. When Jesus moves them into that greater realization, Jesus moves them. Wake wayilambele into ongayazi ukuthi uyilambele until uzuyitaste uyibone ukuthi bengilambele into enje. Come on, let me not talk about this. Have you ever met someone who loved you in a way that you've never been loved? And that person taught you that love is actually a beautiful thing. And only when you meet this person and you say, I didn't know this was love. I always thought this happened in movies and in dreams. Your life changes. Only after you've met them, you see another page in your pillow. You see another page in your pillow because you dig abantu abazokwenza njalo mabefika kuwena bakususe kokujwayele bakususe kokwenza njalo bakususe kokufundisiwe bakunikeze lento uNkulunkulu afuna kube yakho. Kodwa khona into ayishoyo uNkulunkulu reality sebeyibona yonke inkazimulo yakhe sebebuyela emuva ebese batshala igama elilodwa bathi shush singatsheli muntu umangalisa uNkulunkulu asekwenzele sona. Asikhona abanye abantu mina abangimangasa, I want to buy a house. Siyaposta laphana, sesiyabuka ko WhatsApp, siyambona uthi I'm working on buying a house. Athi atseki point siyaphruviwe, athi ukuthi sekunje uyohlala mhlawumbe. Kodwa abanye abantu are very excited. Ayothenga imoto, uyasipostela manje, sebeyashuta, angithi kuyacelebrate, sebeyashuta manje, benza ukuthi manje 2 weeks yagiqika. Awufunde ushushu. So Jesu njengoba senehla senyale, njengoba sengikwenzele ongaka, anike ngatshela umuntu until the right time. Ndofika sezuleke nathi. Sibusise sivikele isikhanyisele ngoyisele nodala. Lo moya leyo. Amen.